All right, Jedediah. Woo!
Where was he? Did he fly earlier? I thought I heard him fly or something.
I have no clue where he was. I was thinking he was over here, but he came over on the road. He must have flown down to the road.
I was asleep.
Hey,
Way to go.
good job, dude.
That was awesome.
Let's go check him out.
I didn't even know he was there until he walked out. Or until Dad said, there's a storm.
Wow, that's a dandy.
Hey, Steve Hobby here with Hobby Outdoors along with Jedediah. Second morning of the youth hunt. We just got down not too far from camp. Last night we saw a bird roosted not too far away from here, so we decided to give him a plug and see if we can get him this morning. And we sat up on the edge of a cut bean field. Along the edge of the field there's a few more beans. They left a few rows and it was perfect. Nice cover along there, good brush, and the beans just hit us really well. We waited until about shooting light, and then I didn't hear the bird chuck down, but everyone else did. And he came down, and we have a road that runs to the north of us, and I think the bird probably pitched down pretty close to his roost and went down to the ditch and worked his way all the way around the ditch and came into the field on the west side and kind of worked the field. I didn't see him at all. The rest of the guys did. And kind of worked the field a little while, and then I heard one of them mention there's a gobbler, and put the call in, one of our new hobby game calls. This is just a really easy mouth call designed for beginners and youth. And put that in and gave him a few gobbles and a few cuts and purrs. Was on the pot call a little bit, and he came right in and worked the field a little bit, gobbled a couple times, and came right in, and Jedediah made about a 20-yard shot and right in the head, knocked him down right away, and it was a perfect shot.